We are at an incredibly exciting point in life sciences. I think that this 20th century was focused on engineering and aircraft and space, and the 21st century is going to be focused on biomanufacturing and medicine. We're going to make molecules that have never been made before and serve patients in a way that they've never been served before.
Our vision really is to ensure that we work with the life science industry to ensure that every patient across the world can access medicines that they need to be able to access. And that's our vision, is that we work with a broad suite of manufacturers to produce medicines all over the world.
So our vision is to ensure that we're using technology in the right way to deliver on that vision in order to improve patients' lives, improve patients' health, and make sure that these molecules that we can now make get to the patients as reliably and as quickly as possible.